40 minutes.
Yeah,
Too far away.
but it's closer than Lavender. It's also down.
Yeah.
Maybe go there and then go home, because
Yeah.
it'll be like 4, I think, after we visit there.
The content?
The content and then the honey. Is it too busy?
I don't think we can visit honey.
Why?
Honey place is far away, right?
It's 35 minutes. if we
Walking.
go.
Yeah, but we have to come back. We have to walk 40 more minutes to come back.
Where's the train?
Train is near here.
Near here?
Yeah.
Where's the content?
Content is like 10 minutes walking from here to there. Yeah.
Oh, we can't enter.
Yeah, just in the scenery. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
We had passed by the hotel for almost 5 months.
Yeah. Yeah. daylesford. Where? Can you find it? Ah, here, yeah. Oh, and then I think that's public toilet, right? Cool. We found it, yeah. Daylesford toilet.